Hi guys, so today me and my husband is going to have our Valentine's Day dinner. So here I am fixing myself because I have to look cute. We're leaving. So I don't know what I'm saying. We'll eat na. Hi guys, so we got home already and I thrifted things. So these are the frames for our graduation photos for me and my husband. This is for my husband and we haven't been able to print the photo. So next is mine. This is mine. I framed it already. It is a very nice frame. It's mahogany. No, I think the other one is the mahogany. And next one is this cute candle holders, like little teacups. It's frosted. This candle, but I'm not sure if it can light up again. And this is for Christmas. I know it's a long way to go, but you know, it's cute, it's classy, it's dainty. So this is our thrift haul. Hi guys, so I'm sweating so much because I am walking because I decided not to book a grab and now I'm breathless, I'm sweaty and I'm tired and I'm late. Yon. Hi guys, so Wendy's muna tayo kasi gutom na ako. Ayan na. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Ayan, gutom na ako. Yeah, I'm so hungry and tired and I'm not. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat first. OMG, I'm not speaking English. I'm so sorry. So I was saying that the company event is over right now, and I was able to arrive, but I'm late. But it's okay. Hi guys, so I'm almost done. So I'll show you the full look. Okay, I'm sweating. Silky dress. This one. Hi guys, so I'm here now. This is the Grand Hyatt BGC. My friend and I will meet here for our Valentine's Day. So, yun.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
I can see the pretty hair, huh? Hi guys, so we're inside the Grand Hyatt Hotel. We're just having our, I don't know, can you call it tea? But this is a cake. Hi! That's my friend is so pretty, like a Chinese Barbie doll. Okay? This cake is so nice. So good. So we're laughing about it. But white flower girls. Different sizes. So yon. Hi, so we are transferring to have our dinner. So I really don't know if what restaurant, but we will be having our dinner. working now. So we had a fun time together. Time to go home now. Bye! Hi guys. So I'm home now. And this is my friend's Valentine's gift to me. So let's open it. Unboxing. Okay, these are a couple of items. First one is like a bag accessory, cell phone accessory. Yeah. Oh my god, that is Piao bracelets, like jade and tiger's eye. It's so pretty. An egg holder. It's cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love notebooks. And it's small. It can be carried in small bags. Oh, so sweet. Oh my god, a beauty blender. Like that. Oh. An earphone case, right? Bag accessory. Liquid foundation, travel version. Can be. Ooh, Estee Lauder. I don't know how to pronounce Estee Lauder properly, but I'm gonna Google it, okay? I'm gonna try this on later after removing my current lipstick. A red Givenchy lipstick in the shade of Rouge Rebel. Can you see Givenchy? And the concealer. It's so sweet. Thank you so much.